Samahani bafethu ngiphatha umshuni futhi ohluke kakhulu bafethu. Kusho manje lo line lona Amos bafethu lana kusho ukuthi ukhuluma about the way emcimbini breakthrough and change his life, understand? But what I've realized about this clip bafethu ukuthi ebomini bafethu must suffer in order ukwazi ufimele ufikele khona, you understand? Because abantu abaningi bafethu they always value into abayihluphekele, you understand? Into ehluphekele, but if like into ehluphekelayo angeke uyivalue as much as, you understand? And I love the way shara ngakhona struggle sakhe, the way struggle ngakhona in order fike la ifike khona, ayibona into leyo. And into leyo ihlezi imkhumbuzo noma sekwi-industry njengamanje kwi-industry eqhubeke senza more things elifini yakhe makufika ubunzima somehow uhlezi ezikhumbuza ukuthi eish yazi mina ngisuka la yayibona into leyo. So kulaba abangasazi story sakhe bafisa ngicela mamele le video lena and ningichazisele after seyiphela i video ukuthi nenicabangani about this kind of situation.
Emcimbini hit really hard ngiselokishini broke as yo. Yeah, no.
How broke?
Yo, dog, like super broke. Bengifoleli 350, dog.
Yo, for real, bro.
For real. Bengifoleli 350 ngidlula umjita hamba nge-BF.
Play your song.
Khali imcimbi. Bana bengifaka isikhafe esingaka ne-specs. Ngithi kepisi. Vele kubonakala nje kancane. Isikhafu la simanzi. Inyembezi mfethu.
Yo, bro.
Mangibona ngathi khona umuntu ongirecognizeayo kancane ngishintsha i-posture.
Yeah. I know that feeling.
Like, yo, I felt like a failure, Joe.
Damn.
Yo, I felt like, yo, mhlambe I shouldn't have done music. And manje, at that time, angazi nokuthi will I ever make another song as greater? You understand that? It's mind fucking. Ngaphi imali ayikho, how do you continue become creative?